the additional amount that the retailer must add to its cost to cover its business and to provide a profit. Formula in getting the markup will be markup is equals to selling price minus cost price. The selling price is the sum of the cost and markup, and the cost price is the price of the merchandise paid by. So for example, Aliyah wants to buy a notebook at the cost of 100 pesos, but the sales tax is added to the notebook becomes 150 pesos. What is the markup rate of the notebook? So given the selling price or the new price will be 150 pesos, and the cost price or the old price will be 100 pesos. The formula in markup will be S minus C, or new price minus old price. So 150 minus 100 is equals to 50. This is the markup. And in the question, it says that what is the markup rate of the notebook? So getting the markup rate, it will be the markup over old price times 100%. And that will be 50 from here over old price, which is the 100 pesos, times 100%. So 50 over 100 will be 0.5 times 100%, and that will be 50%. That is the markup rate. So the markup is the decrease on the selling price. So the formula in getting the markdown will be markdown is equals to discounted price minus retail price. So for example, Rose bought a discounted bag at the cost of 400 pesos. If the retail price of the bag is 650 pesos, what is the markdown of the bag and the markdown rate? So the given will be discount price or the new price is 400 pesos, and the retail price or the old price, which is 650 pesos. So in getting the markdown is equals to discount price minus retail price. So M is equals to 400 minus 650. We will be using absolute value, which is 250. This is the markdown, 250. Getting the markdown rate, markdown over old price times 100%. And the markdown here will be 250 over the old price, which is 650 times 100%. And 250 over 650, it will be 0.3846 times 100%. Move to decimal places and will be 38.46%. This will be the markdown rate.
Markup versus margin. The formula in getting the markup is equal to profit over cost, and in margin, it is equal to profit over retail price. So, for example, the cost is 5 pesos and the retail price is 9 pesos. The markup, we will use the formula M is equal to profit over cost. So, profit, it will become 9 minus 5 is equal to 4 over 5 peso. And the answer will be 0.8, and we will move 2 decimal places to the right. So, it will become 80%. Getting the margin, we will also use the formula M is equal to profit over retail price. So it will become 4 over 9 pesos. So the answer will be 0.44, and move 2 decimal places to the right to get the margin rate, and it will become 44%.
Discount is a discount given to all purchases on a one-off basis. Example, a department conducted a 3-day sale. Chloe saw a pair of shoes worth 3,000 pesos with a 20% discount. How much would she pay for the shoes after gaining the discount? Finding the net price, we should find first the trade discount. The formula in finding trade discount is list price times discount rate. List price is 3,000 and the discount rate is 0.20. 3,000 times 0.20 is equals to 600. And this is the trade discount. Now find for the net price. The formula in getting the net price is net price is equals to list price minus trade discount. 3,000 minus 600 is equals to 2,400 pesos. And this is the net price. And that's how you look for the trade discount.
Discount series or chain discount. A type of discount in which several discounts are given to a purchaser at different times and dependent on the occurrence of different conditions.
Bullet orders 6 wood stoves with a list price of $6,000 from his supplier. The supplier offers a chain discount of 5/10. What is the net price of the fireplaces?
List price is 6,000 and the discount rate is 5/10. The first step is subtract each discount from 100%. So 100% minus 5% is equal to 95%. And the discount 2 is 100% minus 10% is equal to 90%. Next is multiply them together to get the net price equivalent rate. Net price equivalent rate equals discount 1 times discount 2. So 0.95 times 0.90 is equal to 0.855. So now that you get the net price equivalent rate, let's compute for the net price. Net price is equal to list price times net price equivalent rate. List price is 6,000 times 0.855 equals 5,130 pesos. And that's the net price.